Hey guys, it's me Shannon, and today we're gonna do a fidget video. Guys, before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and ring the bell. And if you've already seen my other fidget video, and if you haven't, especially ring the bell. It's just right up there. And comment down below if you guys have seen my other fidget video. But today, this is a challenge. Today, I have to count how many fidget, poppets, 1, 2, 3. How many of those do I have, and how many fidgets do I have? Now, as you can see by the size of this bucket, I have a lot. This is halfway full. Actually, 3/4 full. So, we're gonna get one of my favorites, the ice cream. So let me get a piece of paper. So, where do I have a piece of paper? Right here. Yeah, I can just pull one out. Guys, this is hard, so I'm just gonna keep track in a notebook. And we're gonna use my mama pen. Okay, so this pen doesn't work. Okay, fidget 1. Pops. Okay, so pops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And don't forget the last one, 31. So 31 pops. Okay, we're done with that one, and I'm just gonna pop the other side just for fun. Guys, the sound it makes is so satisfying. Do you hear that? Okay, now we're gonna do the glow-in-the-dark glittery baby Yoda. Okay, fidgets 2. Pops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, I messed up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 pops. So it's 31 plus 28, 31 plus 28, 9, 59. 59 pops. Wow. Then we're also gonna pop the back. Guys, the back of the fidgets, dude, they make the most satisfying sounds. Do you not hear that? That's so cool, guys. So cool. Okay. Fidget number 3. Okay. 3. 59 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 59. 59 plus 9 is obviously 68. 68 pops. Now, let's pop the other side. Dude, the Galaxy one makes the coolest sound because they're all different sizes. That's so cool. Let's do the fidget spinner poppet. So I can tell there's 5, so it's gonna be 73 pops and 4 fidgets. Let's see how long I can last it. No, it hit my hand. Okay, guys, that does not count. This is so cool. Okay, it stopped, so the colors are blue, yellow, pink, purple, and orange. Boom. Okay. Guys, you should really get some poppets if you don't have any, because poppets are so cool. Look, guys, I have a galaxy face. Okay. Next up, a black cat. And I was talking to one of my friends earlier, and her favorite fidget of mine is the black cat. So let's pop it. So wait, guys, okay. Fidget okay, wait, 4 fidgets, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5 fidgets. 5 and pops is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 73 plus 21 would probably be 95, 94, so 94. Okay, next puppet. But first, let's pop the back. This one doesn't have that much of a sound on the back, but it still has a sound. But it's not as cool. It's just like a simple cat. Okay, now we're moving on to school gear stuff. So we have 2 keyboards and a calculator. So we're gonna do all of these. So we're gonna just turn that into 8. So fidget number 1 is the calculator. It's so realistic. I mean, look at the pops and look at the screen thing. So pops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So let's see. 94 plus 25. 94 plus 25. 9, 11, 119. 119. Guys, it's basically the opposite of 911. Just swap up the numbers. 119. So we got the calculator done, and let's hear the sound of the back. This one also has like a really cool sound, but it's kind of like the cat, just a little louder. Just super simple. Boom. Okay. Next on to the regular. We're gonna do the boring one. I know it has like really cool colors. I don't like the pea. I don't like the pea yellow or the poop brown. But let's do them. So fidget. So pops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Guys, this one has so many pops. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So 119 plus 59. I don't know that one. Plus 59. the heck am I doing? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna do this on a separate paper. So 119 plus 59. 59. Okay, put the 1, put the 9, 7, and 1. 174. 174. That 4 looks so bad, so I'm just gonna redo the whole thing. Okay. Let's hear what this sounds like on the back. Ooh, guys, this one has like a really satisfying sound. I love it. I like to do these ones like really slowly because it makes them sound like way more satisfying. Because like here 3 that I go fast. Like you can barely hear them. So now let's move on to like this really cool one because like it actually says stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Okay, I don't think I'm right, so I'm gonna recount. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, and 59. Same as the other one. So 174 plus 59 equals, okay, that would be 13. Okay, so then 5 plus 8 is also 13. And then 233. Wow, guys, we're already up to 233 pops. Okay, let's hear the satisfying sound of this one. Okay, this is also like the Black Cat. Super simple and quiet. I really like this puppet, you guys, but it's not my favorite. Oh, the one I'm gonna do is like super seasonal now. So, done, drum roll please. A Christmas tree! A Christmas tree just for Christmas. So, wait. Okay, so fidgets 9, pops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, 48. So, 2, 3, 3, 48. Okay. plus. Okay. That would be 11. That would be 8. And that's 281. Wow. 281. Okay, guys. And, like, we're barely even, like, halfway done. So, now we're gonna do a set again. And it's a unicorn and a heart. So, I'm really quick gonna add 2 fidgets. So, 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. Oh no, I lost a page. Guys, we have to find it. Okay. Okay, I found it. Okay. We're gonna do the unicorn first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28. So 309. Okay. Now let's hear the satisfying sound of the back. Whoa. It literally sounds like a literal popping sound. It's so satisfying. Okay, let's do the heart, which actually has little letters on it. And then at the end, a heart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27. So 27 plus 9. Would be 36. So 336. 336. Okay. So now let's hear the satisfying sound of the back. Yeah, this one isn't too satisfying, but like the feels of the letters, like the letters are so satisfying to feel, and same with the heart. That's so cool. Okay, we're gonna do another set, which is star and a pineapple. I love this pineapple, you guys. Like, it's so cool. Like, it literally looks so realistic. I just want to bite into it. I'm kidding. I wouldn't actually bite into a poppet. Okay. So, add 2 more fidgets. So, 1, 3. Okay, let's do pops. So, on the pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Guys, the pineapple reminds me of the pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob. Okay, so 1, 2, 3,